Alright, I just want to show you a quick little tip right here. You can see on these KRXs, the radiators are down low in front and they get packed up with mud. Last time I was at Hatfield McCoy. We were riding through puddles all morning, stopped for lunch, and the mud kind of caked up the radiator. And when we went to lunch, it all dried out. And buggy got over temp when I first started up again. So what I came up with was a cheap $20 pressure sprayer mod. All you do is buy a fire extinguisher mount off Amazon and a $5 Harbor Freight sprayer, and it's real easy. Just pull the pin, sprayer comes up, boom. Now you can clean out the radiator. You do anything you need. This sprayer works okay, good enough for doing the radiator. I mean, it clearly gets in there, it locks, and you can actually adjust the nozzle up here as well, so you get more of a fan spray versus a stream. So overall, for $5, well worth it. $5 in the sprayer. Got just some hose clamps on there, gonna make that look a little bit better. And then a quick Amazon special fire extinguisher mount. You can see I basically can do this one-handed. Just pull that out, make sure it clips in like that, and you're good to go. Have it tucked behind the line of sight, so it's out of the way, protected by brush. Overall, very happy with it. Just want to make a quick tip. Hope this helps somebody. You can run a Razor. This is a KRX, but pretty much any side-by-side or ATV work good. Hadn't seen this, so I figured I'd post a quick video. Thanks for watching.